In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ActiveCampaign, a powerful tool for managing email marketing from the perspective of someone who has grown an email list of over 70,000 subscribers. Whether you're new to email marketing or just getting started with ActiveCampaign, this tutorial will guide you through the basics and set you on the path to successful email management. To get started, head over to activecampaign.com and sign up for a free trial if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Consider this your command center where you'll manage your contacts, design campaigns, and set up automations. Familiarize yourself with the key sections on the left sidebar, which include contacts for all your subscribers and leads, campaigns for managing email sends, automations for orchestrating workflows, lists and tags for organization, and the CRM/deals section to keep track of your sales pipeline. Next, you'll want to create your first list. Navigate to Contacts, then Lists, and click on Add a List. Here, you'll name your list, something descriptive like Main Newsletter works well, and provide a brief description. This list will be the destination for new contacts, whether they come from forms you create or imports. If you already have a list of subscribers, it's time to import them. Go to Contacts, then Import, and upload your CSV file. If you're starting fresh, no worries. Your contact list will begin to grow as people sign up through your forms. Speaking of forms, let's create a sign-up form next. Head to Website, then Forms, and start creating a form. You have choices here: an inline form, a pop-up, or even a floating bar depending on what matches your website's vibe. Connect this form to your new list and then embed it on your website or use the share link to start collecting leads. Now it's time to send your first campaign. Go to Campaigns and select Create a Campaign. Choose your list and select an email template that suits your message. Use the drag and drop builder to design your email. Don't forget to preview and test your campaign, then decide whether to schedule it for later or send it right away. To take your email marketing to the next level, you'll want to build an automation. Navigate to Automations, then create an automation and choose to start from scratch. Begin by selecting a trigger, such as when a contact subscribes to a list, and then add actions like sending an email, waiting a day, or tagging a contact. A simple yet effective example is a welcome sequence that sends 3 emails over 3 days to introduce your brand. Another vital step is to segment and tag your contacts. Tags help you label subscribers based on their interests or actions, and segments allow you to target these groups with tailored messages. For instance, send special offers to your most engaged buyers. Finally, keep an eye on your results to continually refine your approach. Head to Reports, then Campaigns or Automations to track metrics such as open and click rates, conversion goals, and which subject lines are performing the best. This data will be invaluable for optimizing your campaigns and expanding your email list efficiently. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming proficient with ActiveCampaign and growing your email marketing efforts.